Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I have with me a knife sharpener I got for less than $3, which is 3,000 naira. It's a Chinese product. I'll try it out and I'll rate it over 10. So I tried it out with a blunt chef knife I have in my kitchen, and I tried it first with a bulb of onion. If you watch closely, you can see how difficult it was for me to cut into the onion because the knife is blunt. So I'll be sharpening it and try it out with the onion again to see how well it sharpens the knife. I sharpened the knife for about 2 to 3 minutes by swiping the knife against the sharpening pit while applying little pressure. After sharpening, I cut into the bulb of onion again, and this time around I didn't need to use that much pressure because the knife was a little bit sharpened. Over 10, I'll be rating this sharpener a 5. This is because it requires more than 2 to 3 minutes to sharpen, and it requires you to use energy. But for the price point, it is a good buy. I would definitely advise you to get it if you cannot afford the more expensive version. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel to see more gadget reviews.